In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your active eBay listings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your seller account to view everything you currently have for sale, so you can quickly find a specific item, check its details, and make smarter updates. I'll be demonstrating this in a desktop browser, which is the simplest way to follow along. Start by going to eBay and hovering your mouse over the My eBay menu at the top of the page. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor there. If you don't see My eBay, make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for selling. Hovering opens a drop-down with shortcuts that help you jump straight into the selling tools. From that drop-down, click Selling. This takes you into your seller area, often called Seller Hub, where you can manage everything related to your listings, orders, and performance. Give the page a second to load. It may show a quick overview, like recent sales, tasks, or recommendations. Next, look toward the top navigation bar within Seller Hub and hover over Listings. Again, just hover to reveal the submenu. This menu groups all listing-related pages together, which makes it easy to switch between drafts, unsold items, and what's currently live. Now, click Active. This opens the full list of all your live for-sale items. You should see columns such as title, format, price, quantity, watchers, and end time. If your list looks empty or oddly filtered, check for any saved filters or a search query lingering from a previous session and clear them so you see everything. On the active page, you'll find a search field and filters designed to help you pinpoint exactly what you need. This is the ideal spot to narrow your results by keyword, category, listing format, or status. If you manage many listings with similar titles, include a unique keyword you added when you created them, such as a model number or color. You can also adjust sorting, end time. Soonest is helpful when you want to focus on listings about to finish. If your item doesn't appear, confirm the correct account is selected and that you're in the active view, not drafts or ended. A few quick tips while you're here. Keep your titles consistent so searches return predictable results. Use clear identifiers in the title to make filtering easier later, and periodically remove or update stale keywords so your own searches stay clean. If you work across multiple categories, consider applying a category filter to reduce clutter. And when you're done reviewing, you can reset filters to get back to the full picture of your active inventory. That's all there is to it. Hover on My eBay, click Selling, hover on Listings, and open Active to search and manage your live listings efficiently.